Dear students, today we will solve one example in chapter Operating Costing in subject Advanced Accounting and Auditing Paper 3 for class 2nd year BCom semester 4 Veer Narmad South Gujarat University. Here is the question. Prakash Transport Company supplies following details in respect of a truck having 10-ton capacity. Cost per truck rupees 14 lakhs. Scrap value at the end of 20 years life, that is 20% of cost of truck. Diesel oil grease per ton kilometer rupee 1. Repair and maintenance rupees 2000 per month. Driver's wages rupees 2400 per month. Cleaner's wages rupees 1200 per month. Insurance premium per truck rupees 19,200 per annum. Taxes rupees 9,600 per annum. Supervision charges per truck rupees 4,800 per annum. The truck carries goods from Surat to Valsad and Valsad to Surat, covering distance of 80 kilometers each way. On outward trip, freight is available to the extent of full capacity, and on return 50% of capacity. One round trip is possible each day. Assuming that the truck runs on an average 20 days in a month, find out the operating cost per ton kilometer. First of all, let us understand the question. Here we have given information of Prakash Transport Company of a truck, one single truck having 10-ton capacity. It means loading capacity of truck is 10 ton. The cost per truck is rupees 14 lakh. Scrap value at the end of 20 years useful life is 20% of cost of truck. So this information will be used to calculate annual depreciation and then monthly depreciation of the truck. So scrap value would be 14 lakh into 20%, that is 2,80,000. So 14 lakh minus 2,80,000 divided by 20 years will give us annual depreciation, and then annual depreciation will be converted into monthly depreciation by dividing 12. Then we are given diesel oil grease per ton kilometer rupee 1. Here it is a variable cost for running a truck. Repair and maintenance rupees 2000 per month. Dear students, here repairs and maintenance is given per month. It is time based, so it will be considered as a fixed charges. Driver's wages rupees 2400 per month, fixed charges. Cleaner's wages rupees 1200 per month, fixed charges. Insurance premium per truck rupees 19,200 per annum. It is a fixed charges. So per month it will be 19,200 divided by 12 months. Taxes 9,600 per annum. So it is fixed charges. Supervision charges per truck rupees 4,800 per annum. The truck carries goods from Surat to Valsad and Valsad to Surat, covering a distance of 80 kilometers each way. The distance between Surat to Valsad is 80 kilometers. 80 kilometers each way. On outward trip, freight is available to the extent of full capacity. Full capacity matlab 10 tons. And on return 50% of capacity. It means 5 tons. One round trip is possible each day. One round trip means Surat to Valsad and Valsad to Surat. Like this, one round trip is possible each day. Assuming that the truck runs on an average 20 days in a month. Find out the operating cost per ton kilometer. Okay, this is from our university exam paper. First of all, we will calculate basic calculations, that is monthly kilometers and monthly ton kilometers. Here is the working for basic calculations. First, monthly kilometers run by truck. Monthly kilometers run by truck is equal to kilometers multiply round trips multiply days. Dear students, here on outward journey our kilometers will be 80 kilometers, that is from Surat to Valsad. Outward journey Surat to Valsad, 80 kilometers. One way, that is one, not a complete trip, it is half, that is one, multiply 20 days, that is 1600 kilometers. And now from return journey, that is Valsad to Surat, again 80 kilometers, 1 and 20 days, that is 1600 kilometers. So per month kilometers would be 3200. Now monthly ton kilometers, monthly ton kilometers run by truck, monthly ton kilometers run by truck, that is monthly kilometers multiply tons carried. So outward journey from Surat to Valsad, 1600 kilometers multiply full capacity, that is 10, it is 16,000 ton kilometers. And return journey from Valsad to Surat, 1600 kilometers multiply 5 tons, that is 50% capacity, so it is 8,000 ton kilometers. And total 24,000 ton kilometers per month, and monthly kilometers 3,200. Okay, after this working, now let us prepare a statement showing operating cost. Prakash Transport Company statement showing operating cost of a truck. Particulars, monthly amount and per ton kilometers. First we will take fixed charges. Truck depreciation, 14 lakh is a cost price, 2,80,000 is a scrap value, 20 years is a life, that is N. So C minus S upon N amounts to 56,000 per annum, divided by 12 months. So per month depreciation amount to 4,667. Then repair and maintenance. Dear children, here repair and maintenance charge is given time base, so it is recorded as a fixed charges rupees 2,000 per month. Drivers wages rupees 2,400 per month. Cleaners wages rupees 1,200 per month, both are fixed charges. Insurance premium rupees 19,200 per annum, divided by 12 months, so per month it is 1,600. And taxes rupees 9,600 per annum, divided by 12 months, so per month rupees 800. Supervision charges 4,800 per annum, divided by 12 months, so per month it is 400. So like this our fixed charges are over. Total fixed charges amounts to 13,067, divided by monthly ton kilometers 24,000. Again I repeat, our total fixed cost amounts to 13,067, will be divided by monthly ton kilometers 24,000. So our per ton kilometer cost amounts to 0.544. Now we will take variable charges. From the given data there is only one variable charges, diesel, oil and grease, and we are given per ton kilometer rupee 1. It is readily available, per ton kilometer is readily available in the question, and our monthly ton kilometer is 24,000. So 1 rupee multiply 24,000 monthly ton kilometers, so total amounts to 24,000. So our total variable cost amount to 24,000 per month and 1 rupee per ton kilometer. And finally we get total operating cost, that is A plus B, fixed charges plus variable charges. Fixed cost plus variable cost, that is 37,067. 13,067 plus 24,000 is equal to 37,067. And finally 37,067 divided by monthly ton kilometers 24,000. and it will amount to 1.544. That's all. Dear students, first of all, you understand the question with its solution and try to solve this example in your notebook, and try similar example from your book and reference book available to you as a practice for university exam. Thank you very much.